Hello, today it's a quick video of how to remove prosthetics. I am using Isopropyl Myristate and 244 liquid. First I took my denture off, and this is a ball cap that since it's not glued on the hair, I removed from the top of the head by ripping. But around the hairline, I'm using the remover. I use a 244 liquid. It works well for prosthetic. Gently adding the liquid on the area that prosthetic was on. Little by little. Make sure not to pour too much. So the front was off, so I ripped the front off so it's easily take the ball cap on both sides. The right side is out, then the left side. Make sure not to pull too much around the hair. Once it's off, unfortunately this one goes to the trash can. This day I had some allergy from the tree outside, so my nose was running. So under my nose, prosthetics was coming off easily. And taking the forehead area off. Pushing the edge with the brush slowly. And be careful around the eyes. You don't want to put that liquid. The next one is I'm using Isopropyl Myristate. I use a powder puff, dip into the Isopropyl Myristate and gently massaging my skin. And around the eyes, please be careful. You don't want the Isopropyl Myristate in your eyes. Then I'm using the paper towel to wipe off the Myristate. Also, you can use hot towel instead. Then use a regular makeup remover. Thank you so much.